So, I kind of messed up my channel. I started off with one niche and then I built an audience, but then afterwards I got stuck. I didn't connect with my viewers. I ended up burning out, and now the new stuff that I'm putting out, my subscribers don't really watch it. But that is why I'm making this video. Because if you want to create a personal brand, I don't want you to make the same mistake that I did. So whether you're growing on YouTube or Instagram, TikTok, whatever platform it is, I'm going to break down exactly how to create a personal brand that people love so you never get stuck like I did. And to be real with you, I'm still stuck. Trying to figure things out as I go, and my views are definitely on the low side. But that is exactly why I can share this with you guys, because I'm going through it and there's going to be no sugarcoating, just the real raw things that I'm going through. So let's get into it. One of my biggest mistakes was that I was not creating an emotional connection with my audience. I was just sharing tips on how to sell on Amazon because that's what I knew and what worked. But I just kept it very informational and I wasn't really letting people in on who I was. You got to think about it. People connect with people, not just information. And that's what I was doing. I was just teaching. So I was very robotic with it. And it was easy because I was just going off of the script that I had and just showing you step by step of things on how to sell on Amazon. So I wasn't really giving you me. If you want to build a brand that lasts, you need to share your stories. You need to share your fails. Well, not really fails. I don't like to say fails. We know that. They're lessons. Your struggles. The whole journey. That's what you need to share. That's what people connect with. Even if it's messy. No, you know what? Especially if it's messy. People love messy. And because it's relatable. Let's be honest. Nobody's perfect. For example, right now I'm actually navigating the pivot on my channel. My views are actually really low right now, and I've been tempted to go back to what I know works. But like I said, I got burnt out, and granted, I love doing Amazon stuff, but that's not the only thing that I enjoy doing. So I'm deciding to share this struggle with you because it's real. It's what I am going through with this channel. And honestly, thinking about it, this makes me feel more connected to you guys, my viewers. Don't be afraid to show your personality, your quirks, the lessons. It makes you you. And that's what people fall in love with. It is so easy to get lost in the numbers, like the likes, the views, the follows, the shares. Trust me, I have been there. I have been on my analytics, I don't know how many times this past week. And the week just started. But the key to building a personal brand is knowing your why. So think about why you're creating this content. What do you want people to do or feel after watching your videos? For me, it's about sharing my journey and helping others grow on their platforms, but also being very transparent on my highs and lows. Your why will definitely keep you going when your numbers are not so great. And once you know your why, you should try to stay consistent. Not with just posting, but with everything, your messaging. Your audience should know what to expect from you. It definitely builds trust. Even if your views are low right now, showing up consistently does build a foundation for growth. I used to think that everything had to be perfectly scripted and polished. But I have learned, I don't know if you can hear the sirens. That's real. The popo in the neighborhood. I sound so old. Okay, they're gone. But I have learned, even for me watching other creators, I want to see their authentic self. And that's what people love, seeing the authenticity of someone. They want the unfiltered version of you. I mean, look at this video. I am opening up about my struggles with low views, not so many subscribers anymore, and trying to pivot and figure out this channel. So yeah, I'm being vulnerable, but it's real. And I know a lot of people can relate and hopefully respect it. So don't wait for everything to be perfect. Just start sharing. Here's something that I wish I knew sooner. There is a huge difference about having followers and building a community. When I was doing only Amazon tips, I attracted viewers that just wanted that, Amazon tips. There was really no community vibe. There was no deeper connection. I was just the teacher. Building a community means interacting with your viewers, responding to comments, asking questions, also making them feel like they're a part of your journey. Now, I was doing that and still do when they were asking me questions about Amazon, but it was honestly just about that. So Yeah. But now the way I'm gonna go, I think I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of the reins, and I'm gonna start asking like what you want to see new on this channel, things like that, so I can tap into that but still share the things that I love. And I want to know the struggles that you're going through so we can, chat about it back and forth, because I know I'm not the only one. All right, now let's talk about something that keeps so many people stuck: finding a niche. We've all heard it before.
Pick a niche. Stick to a niche. Don't stray from that niche. Blah, blah, blah.
But honestly, okay, it does work. I'm not gonna lie. Because when I started, I was doing like a get to know me vlog channel. Then I realized that nobody knows me and nobody's really gonna wanna watch. Then I started my Amazon, and because it was just one niche, tips on Amazon, that's how I grew pretty quickly. So if you know exactly what you want to do and you're okay with just talking about that one topic, then go ahead. You can downsize to one niche because you will grow fast. But also that advice can hold you back, because what if you don't want to talk about just one thing forever? What if you evolve and grow out of that niche? You know what? You are going to evolve and you are going to grow out of that niche. Then what are you going to do? You're going to be stuck, like me, starting from the bottom. Okay. I was burnt out. I felt boxed in and had no idea how to transition. Now, as I pivot into things that I also love, aside from Amazon stuff, like manifestations, meditations, personal growth, my views are low because my old audience didn't sign up for this new type of content. But here's the thing, I am allowed to evolve. We are all allowed to evolve. You nor I have to be one-dimensional. We can be multi-passionate and create a personal brand that reflects all sides of who we are. So do not be afraid to pivot. Yes, you might lose a few viewers, but you will definitely gain an audience that connects with the real you. And I promise you that is worth so much more. So yeah, I kind of messed up my channel by staying in one niche and not building a connection with my audience. But I am here, I am learning, I am pivoting and figuring it out as I go. And if you're in a similar spot, feeling stuck, burnt out, not sure what to do next, just know you are not alone. You're not alone. I'm here with you. So let's build brands that are real, they're relatable, they're fun, and long-lasting. And trust me, in about a few months or a year from now, we're going to look back at our views right now and we're going to be like, huh. So if you enjoyed this video and found it real and raw, please hit that subscribe button, the like, all the things that you know you need to do. And I will see you guys soon. Bye, my loves.